Ushiye ngalazi umnumzane John Hlophe obekhulumela umkhonto wesizwe elishiya-ke kumnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa emva kwenkulumo yakhe bekade-ke eyithula evula-ke iPhalamende mhla ka-18 kuJulayi 2024 anqale njengobingelele ngikwamukele le channel eMasweti Media Production okubingelelayo umxolisi mfana kadlomo ngaphansi le enkandla uma ngabe-ke uyaqala ukufika le channel ngicela ukuthi wenze iqiniso lokuthi ucofa subscribe mawuqeda ubale video ushaye like bese-ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba lwanamhlanje nganza kwethu udaba engeze ngalo-ke njengamanje luthi-ke umnumzane John Hlophe uyihlabe-ke wayihlikiza yenkulumo kaMnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa abekade ke ithula-ke izolo evula-ke iPhalamende uthi nje cha lenkulumo-ke abekade ithula nje kuyabonakala okanye yazwakala ukuthi-ke ibhalwe iqembu okanye ibhalwe amaqembu eGNU ikakhulukazi-ke iqembu le-DA uthi-ke ubona nangokuthi ngenkathi-ke bekade ethula inkulumo kuMnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa amalunga-ke e-DA belokhu-ke eshaya ihlombe okusho ukuthi-ke ispeech saMnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa besikade-ke sibhalwe i-DA khona sizokwazi ukuthi-ke sigculise yona i-DA uthi-ke ubona nangangokuthi angayithinti indaba yasePalestine ebe azi ukuthi-ke indaba ebaluleke kakhulu kumbusazwe walapha-ke eMzansi Afrika wathi-ke nalokho kwenziwa yikho ukuthi-ke umbono phakathi kwe-ANC no-DA awuhambisani uma ngabe kuza kudaba oluthinta-ke iPalestine wasethi-ke bona futhi-ke njengomkhonto wesizwe njengeqembu eliphikisayo kanye namanye amaqembu afana no-EFF basamile-ke kulowo mgomo wabo othi-ke umhlaba awubuyiselwe-ke kubanikazi bawo ngane kwethu ngicela ukuthi uyizwele ngawakho ukuthi-ke uyibeke kanjani indaba umnumzane John Hlophe mangabe usuqedile ngenzela iqiniso ukuthi ucofa subscribe uyalike bese uyakhomenta sidibane kwivideo lenelayo ngiyabonga.
The speech was appalling to say the least. It's very clear the president did not prepare the speech himself. If anything, it's the parties in the GNU. My guess is that it was prepared by DA members. I will tell you why I'm saying that. We were watching very closely in Parliament as the president was delivering his speech. It's the white members of the DA party who were busy applauding. So it was all about pleasing the GNU parties, particularly the DA.
But Dr. Hlophe, which parts were you not satisfied with? And as the MK party, what do you believe should have been included then if you're saying it's so appalling?
Okay, firstly, there is so much lies that is contained in the speech. I regard this president as a serious liar, a serious-minded liar. Firstly, he says his government, ANC that he leads, has created more than 2 million jobs. We are South Africans, we know he's lying. That's not true. If anything, the rate of unemployment in this country is almost 35% now. So we have lost more jobs than we have created. That is a lie. The speech didn't address critical issues like the issue of Palestine. We know why he's not addressing that. It is because the DA is watching him in the GNU. He can't address it because the policies differ in respect of Palestine, right? So the speech was empty in that regard. Furthermore, the MK party, Umkhonto wesizwe, we have been very clear in terms of our election manifesto. We are for the return of the land to the rightful owners. We want Section 25 of the Constitution to be amended, right, in such a way that it makes provision for expropriation of land without compensation. We want nationalization of the key sectors of the economy, such as banks and mines.